Hi, today's video is a beginning of our road trip to Florida. So if you'd like to see what I eat on the road trip, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we are leaving for Florida. I'm going to share what I eat and some of the things we do on the way to Florida. We're leaving in the morning around 9 a.m. and we're going to make this a road trip. It's about 32 degrees when we're started. So hopefully it'll be a lot warmer where we end up. So come on along and share the road trip with me. Got some coffee at McDonald's and a restroom stop. Because it's cold. I'm cold. My husband is always hot in the car. So I'm having a hot coffee for 2 points. Splenda and cream. So we just crossed over into West Virginia. I still haven't eaten anything yet. I do have a couple hard-boiled eggs and some Weight Watchers snacks, protein bars like that in the car. But no snacking goodies like cookies or chips or anything like that. So we stopped at Hardee's for lunch. My husband wanted a burger. This is the first thing I'm eating today, and I got a chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna eat it open faced. It's pretty big. I don't know how many points it would be, probably about 12. So that is what I'm having. That's what it looks like. I scraped out a lot of the mayo and I'm going to eat that for lunch. I did not eat my hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to save them for a protein snack later. Well, that chicken was nasty. I took about 4 bites. And I will have to eat one of my protein bars or something because that was not good. It was very, very greasy. Sorry for the bouncing. We're on the West Virginia highway. It is curvy. See you later. This is the part of driving to Florida I do not want to ever drive. I hate the curves and the hills. It is very hilly. And I would never ever want to drive if it was snowing. But luckily we don't have any snow in the forecast. So this is what we have so far. Well, since that chicken sandwich didn't go over so well, I'm going to have a couple hard-boiled eggs. And I brought some pita bite crackers baked with sea salt. These are 4 points for 11 crackers, so that's gonna have for a little lunch or snack or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna have one of these chocolate pretzel Weight Watcher bars. These are 2 points after I had those crackers. So we just got to South Carolina and I'm avoiding all these snacks. Even though they look good, I'm choosing not to have any. At the rest stop. We're probably gonna drive for another hour and a half and get a hotel. Get something to eat. See you then. So I found a package of these that I forgot I brought with me. I am going to have one right now for 2 points, a 0 sugar Reese's. There's only 2 in this pack. My granddaughter got into them, but this is the size. They're good. I buy them at Walmart. I'm going to try again with the chicken sandwich, but this time I went to Chick-fil-A. I know it'll be a good one there. So there is what I'm eating for dinner, a Chick-fil-A sandwich and a small mac and cheese and a diet lemonade. That is my on-the-road meal tonight. We got a cheap room at a travel lodge and we'll finish our trip tomorrow. Today is day 2 of our trip. Yesterday I ended the day using 30 points. Look, a first palm tree. We're in South Carolina, so we have still about 8 more hours to drive to Florida, our destination in Florida. And we're starting off today. I just having a cup of coffee here at the motel that we stayed at, and we're gonna drive for a little bit and get some lunch, but it is day 2. There it is. Welcome to Florida. Well, we made it to Florida. There's lots of palm trees here. See? Lots of birds chirping. We've been 3 hours on the road and we still have not eaten anything, so we're gonna be stopping to get lunch in a little bit. So I'll see you then. Finally stopping for something to eat. We're at Ruby Tuesdays. They used to have a good salad bar. We'll see what they have. Always undecided at a restaurant, but I got some chicken tacos and a salad and a nice ice water, so that's my lunch. I got a salad bar topped with a bunch of veggies and a mix of dressings of ranch and French. So I'll have to look it up on the app and see how many points it would be. Here is my tacos. It's grilled chicken, some salad, and some corn salsa. And here is what my husband is eating. Pasta with meatballs and sausage. I'm also having a little bit of this pasta and a meatball. We traded one of these for this. I got some oranges and grapes to finish off my lunch. Very full. Only ate one of those tacos. So I was figuring out the points, and it probably was not worth it that I ate here. Dressing's always more. I made the wrong choices. Should have checked the menu first. But oh well, chalk it up. Try again next time. That's the thing about going out to eat. When you have a menu, you have your app, all you have to do is look it up first. Could have gone with the grilled salmon, grilled chicken, and I don't know. Oh well, I'm full. I actually only ate one of those 3 tacos, and my husband had one and I didn't eat the other one, and the salad I never went back for seconds. So the pasta was not that great. I just had about a quarter of a cup of it with 1 meatball. So live and learn. Lesson learned. Just walking around waiting for him to come out. And one of the things I know I love road trips is because I love to bring snacks like cookies or chips, something to munch on. But I did not bring any this time. That is a good thing, because that was what I like about road trips. Here I don't have anything to eat, so I've just been chewing gum. And that is it. Wishing I stopped for good meals. See you later. The weather's nice though. It's about 69 to 70 degrees here. We're in St. Augustine. We have about 3 hours left to drive, I believe. So I'm having a Dunkin' Donut coffee with sweet and low and cream. I count this for 3 points at Dunkin'. My husband bought a snack bag of these Famous Amos chocolate chip bite-sized cookie. So I think I'll have one of these and count it as 1 point. I love cookies, but this probably isn't too bad. It's 280 calories for the whole container. So count it as 1 point. So I stopped at Boston Market when we got at our location. Got some turkey, mashed potatoes, broccoli, and there's a cornbread. And I also got some soup. So I will put that on the screen. I actually ordered stuffing, but they gave me broccoli. They want me to eat the right food. So this is the last thing I'm eating today after eating that Boston Market, which was thumbs down. I didn't eat much of it. And I made some bad food choices today and they weren't even tasting good, so. Well, I'm going to have these 2 granola bars. They are 7 points for the 2 of them. And I'm going to go take a shower. We've been driving for 2 days, so I'm ready to get a nap in. Well, actually, I'm ready to go to bed. So this is all I'm gonna eat for today. So I did make it to my final destination. This is where I'm going to be working starting tomorrow, dealing poker for the poker tournament. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It was not a lot of healthy eating, but I thought I would share what I ate while I was traveling. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.